Proceeding further, we come to next equation of plane passing from three non-collinear points. Okay, equation of plane passing from three non-collinear points. Now, first of all, why the word is given to be as non-collinear points? Because if the points are collinear, then there may be infinite planes passing from that. Okay, the best example is, see this book. If you consider any 3 points here, see, if I consider any 3 points here, 1 point, then second point and third point, then there will be 3 points. Now from these 3 points, see how many planes are passing. All these planes are passing from these 3 points. Okay, this is the best example which you can understand. Okay, take your book, put 3 points, okay, on the side, and then turn the pages. All these pages are nothing but the planes. So from 3 collinear points, infinitely many planes will pass. Okay, so the points should be non-collinear. Now here the points are A, x1, y1, z1, B, x2, y2, z2, and C, x3, y3, z3. With reference to some fixed point, the position vector of point A is vector A, the position vector of point B is vector B, and the position vector of point C is vector C. Okay, we come to a variable point. This is the variable point P, x, y, z, with position vector vector R. Okay, now these are the 4 points in which 3 points are given to you, and P is the variable point. We are keeping one point as fixed, which is A. Keeping A point as fixed, joining AP, joining AB and joining AC, means by keeping point A fixed, we join AB, AC and AP. Okay, we join these. Okay, now from this, if we find vector AB cross vector AC from the given points, A is the given point, B is the given point, C is the given point. So from the given points, we are finding vector AB, we are finding vector AC, and we are finding their cross product. Vector AB clearly क्या आ जाएगा? Vector AB, it will turn out to be x2 minus x1 I cap, y2 minus y1 j cap, z2 minus z1 k cap. Okay, and vector AC, it will turn out to be x3 minus x1 I cap, y3 minus y1 j cap, z3 minus z1 k cap. Okay, and we find the cross product of these two. Now what is cross product? When we consider any two vectors, these are the two vectors which will lie completely in this plane. Okay, when we consider any two vectors and we find their cross product, then their cross product is perpendicular to the two vectors. This cross product comes here. It is perpendicular to both the vectors, vector AB and vector AC. In short, we can say that it is perpendicular to the complete plane. Now if it is perpendicular to the complete plane, means it is perpendicular to this vector AP also. It is perpendicular to this vector AP also. So this vector AP, when taken dot product with these two vectors, will give you 0. This is nothing but, this is the equation of plane in vector form. This is the equation of plane in vector form. Further, you can write this as vector R minus vector A dot, here you can write vector B minus vector A dot vector, cross vector C minus vector A is equal to 0. This is the equation of plane in vector form. Now mostly when the question comes of this type, it's better to find the equation of plane in Cartesian form. Cartesian form में equation of plane find करना बहुत easy है. Okay, when you reduce all these in case of Cartesian form, you will get this equation. First row will be x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Second row will be x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. And third row will be x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1. And this will turn out to be 0. You get the determinant. In determinant, first row will be for this AP. Okay, now what is AP? AP में आपको P minus A मिलेगा, means R minus A मिलेगा. So you get x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. First row. Second row will be for this. It will be x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Third row will be for this. It will be x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1. And this determinant value equal to 0. This will be the equation of plane in normal form. Okay. Moreover, this concept leads to scalar triple product concept also. This is nothing but a scalar triple product. स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट में हम वैल्यू डिटरमिनेंट के थ्रू ही फाइंड करते हैं. ओके, दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन इन नॉर्मल फॉर्म. Sorry, Cartesian form. This was equation of plane in vector form. This is equation of plane in Cartesian form when 3 points are given from where the plane is passing. Okay, the best way is find by this method in a problem, and if they ask you in vector form, find by this method, convert it into Cartesian form, and then you can easily convert it into vector form. Okay, please note it down.